Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Lay the soft cloth on your flat surface to protect the panda and stop slipping. Once done, cut a 1/2-inch piece of adhesive putty or tape. You need a small, firm anchor point. Place the panda on its back gently and press the putty to the center of its belly. Make sure to keep your movement steady so the balance point is clear before continuing to the next phase. Now you refine balance and stabilization with deliberate micro-adjustments. Gently nudge the putty a few millimeters toward the panda's head or tail to find the pivot. This changes torque and how it settles. Once you see partial tilt, add a tiny weight, 0.5 to 2 grams, into any hollow or under the fabric seam to shift the center of mass. After each change, set the panda down and observe its roll resistance. If it wobbles, repeat small tweaks. You finish by locking placement and verifying the upside-down position. Secure the putty with a thin strip of tape and trim any visible edges so the change stays discreet. If the panda flips back, make one corrective move. Reduce the added weight by about 10 to 20% or shift the putty 1 to 2 millimeters toward the failing side. For soft-bodied pandas, sew a single interior stitch to keep the weight from migrating. This ensures long-term stability and a clean final appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.